Good morning. Welcome to CupO'Forex. This is David Frank with your daily video analysis for Wednesday, the 19th of November. Let's get started as this morning has already started out pretty interesting. At 3 a.m. GMT time, it's just concluded that the Bank of Japan had its interest rate decision. No changes there. Yeah, Shinzo Abe, their prime minister, said he's going to delay the next consumption tax increase, which was a good thing. The stock markets, everything loved that. Then he announced early elections. That kind of shocked people. Really, no one knows why. Unemployment is looking good. The economy is looking okay. There was really no reason for him to go to early elections, and we'll chat about that at some point later today. Also, the yen is now at fairly weak levels, passing with the U.S. dollar, Japanese yen passing the 117 handle. We'll chat about that in the technical analysis section. Also coming out today at 9:30 GMT time, the Bank of England will hold its MPC vote to cut the QE and their interest rates, as well as the vote hike, and they're probably going to leave the things unchanged. All that's coming out today out of the Bank of England. We'll be watching that closely. Also coming out today at around 1:30 GMT time, the United States will get some insights into the housing market when they release building permits month on month. We're expecting it to come out at a solid 1.04 million. Also today at 7 p.m. GMT time, the FOMC minutes will be released from their last meeting. We'll be looking at that for more cues about when they're going to raise interest rates and so on. Okay, let's get started with some technical analysis for today. Okay, our technical analysis for today. The dollar yen forex pair. That's where I want to start. Yesterday, I mentioned in my technical analysis and my trading strategy that I started to note a little bit of negative RSI divergence and a possible plateau being reached as the dollar was losing momentum. That didn't prove to be the case. You can see here why I had that feeling as we were starting to form a bit of a bearish candlestick. And what we needed was a confirmation, and that just did not happen today. As AB announced early elections, we're now well above the 115 yen key technical level and have shot above the 117 handle. We are now looking very bullish for 117.50, 117.65 and above. We'll be watching this closely during the course of the day. I also want to take a look at the Aussie dollar forex pair. Very interesting. We formed a bullish engulfing candlestick. Here I recovered a little bit. We shot above the key technical level of 866, 0.866. I'm just going to say 866. It's easier to say. And continued crawling our way higher. It was nothing. It was not a strong recovery by any minutes. It was a little erratic. We hit a plateau at 0.87980, which is a key level, and failed and pushed lower. We're now retesting 866. If we fall below that, we'll change our models to bearish once again. Lastly, I want to take a look at my favorite yellow metal, gold. Gold has been an interesting commodity as of late, and our currency strategist, Jakob Schwartzman, spoke that it's going to be remaining rather neutral and that the recovery is not as good as it looks. I think he's very much spot on with that. We have been falling ever since failing at the 55-day moving average, where we formed an evening star candlestick, and we continue falling to about 1131.64, which is a key support level. And then we had an uneven recovery higher. We have since then hit a plateau just below a technical level of 1200, 1201. That's where the next key technical level lies, and looks like we're going to start trading a bit sideways. I want to take a look at the 4-hour chart to see where traders are moving right now. And we're seeing a bit of indecision, if not a bearish candlestick forming here in Evening Star. We're going to watch to see if this confirms with a daily close lower. Okay, this takes care of today's daily video. We'll chat again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day trading.